Computer system. A topic you will learn a part of computer, functions of different parts of computer. As you have learned in previous classes, computer is made up of multiple parts. These parts together form the computer system. You have also learned that computer works on IPO, input process output cycle, which you must have revised in first chapter. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called as the brain of the computer. It controls all the oth- other parts of the computer and their functions. Monitors monitor display the output. It looks like a television screen. On the monitor you can also see the input what you give to computer. It shows the games you play, what you write or what you draw on the computer. Keyboard is used to input your into the computer through typing. To type or write or the computer you have to press the respective key on key you need. You have already studied the keyboard has keys for alphabets, numbers, symbols, etc. that are used to write, give instruction on a computer. It also contains special keys like enter key, delete key, the platform special task. A standard keyboard has 101, 104 or 167 keys. Mouse is a pointing device. An arrow on the monitor represents the mouse position known as mouse pointer. It moves on monitor according to physical movement of scroll when left click, right click mouse pointer. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It has a rechargeable battery for power backup. A printer is used to print any document or picture on a sheet of paper. The printed sheet of the paper is called a printout or hard copy. A printer can print a color or black and white. A speaker is used to listen to music and other sounds playing on the computer. You can attach two speakers on the computer to get a good sound. Microphone is used to record any voice on the computer. Thank you.